What if I told you that the food most people over 70 rely on to protect their muscles is no longer enough? For decades, eggs have been praised as the perfect protein. And yes, they are healthy, but after 70, something shifts inside your body. Muscles stop responding the same way. The protein that once rebuilt strength in your 30s and 40s becomes less effective. And the result is what doctors call sarcopenia, the silent, relentless loss of muscle that can steal up to 30% of your strength in just a single decade. That's why carrying groceries suddenly feels harder, why climbing stairs leaves you winded, why standing up without help becomes a struggle. And here's the truth nobody tells you. It's not your fault. It's not because you're lazy, weak, or doing something wrong. It's because your body is asking for more than eggs can provide. But there is hope. Today, I'm going to share 7 powerful protein foods, each one proven by science to work better than eggs for rebuilding muscle, restoring strength, and protecting your independence after 70. These are everyday foods, affordable and easy to find, yet most seniors have no idea how transformative they can be. If this message speaks to something you've been quietly living with, I invite you to stay with me until the end, because what you'll hear today might bring the relief you've been hoping for. And before we dive in, I'd be truly honored if you'd take a moment to subscribe to the channel, leave a like if this message resonates with your journey, and share it with someone you care about. Maybe a friend from church, a longtime neighbor, someone from your walking group, or even your brother or sister. And in the comments, please tell us where you're watching from and how old you are, because you'll see you're not alone. This is a space of care, and your story matters. Inside your body, something quiet but powerful is happening after 60. Doctors call it sarcopenia, yet most people never hear the word until it's too late. Sarcopenia is the gradual, invisible erosion of muscle. Each year, small fibers that once fired with strength begin to thin. The grip that held tools, the legs that climbed stairs, the back that carried grandchildren, they all start to weaken, not because you stop using them, but because biology is rewriting the rules. The process begins in the bloodstream. Protein signals that once told your muscles to grow become faint. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. It means that the same egg or piece of chicken that built muscle in your youth now has only half the effect. Day by day, the body breaks down more than it rebuilds. And the loss isn't just visible in your muscles. It touches balance, energy, even independence. But here's what matters most. This decline is not your fault. It is not laziness, weakness, or lack of willpower. It is the natural shift of an aging body, and that means it can also be addressed with the right support. Muscle is not gone forever. The body still remembers how to repair, how to respond. What it needs is protein that speaks louder, nutrients that awaken those silent pathways, and foods that work with age instead of against it. This is why relying on eggs alone leads to frustration. They are good, but they are no longer enough. To fight sarcopenia, your body needs variety, density, and a richer orchestra of amino acids and minerals. And that is exactly where the 7 foods we'll reveal today enter the story. Each one designed by nature to restore what time has been taking away. Most seniors don't lose strength because they stop trying. They lose it because of small, silent mistakes that slip into everyday life. Mistakes that seem harmless in the moment, but over weeks and years quietly drain your energy and erode your muscles. One of the most common mistakes is relying on the same foods every day. Many older adults eat eggs for breakfast, chicken for lunch, and little else for protein. At first, it feels healthy, but the body adapts. Aging muscles become resistant, a condition scientists call anabolic resistance. It means your body no longer responds strongly to the same signals. Without variety, your muscles simply don't get the message to grow. Another mistake is ignoring complementary nutrients. Protein alone is not enough. Your body also needs minerals like magnesium, potassium, and selenium to actually use that protein. Without them, even the best food can leave you feeling weak. That's why fatigue, poor sleep, and fading muscle often appear together. They are signs of a system missing the full puzzle, not just the main piece. And finally, habits that sabotage recovery: too much sitting, too little water, screens late at night that rob you of deep sleep. Each of these chips away at the body's ability to rebuild. It's no wonder so many people wake up sore, drained, and discouraged. The good news is that every one of these mistakes is reversible. With small, intentional changes, adding variety, spreading protein across the day, supporting it with minerals, protecting sleep, you can shift the balance back in your favor. And this is where the 7 foods we're about to reveal become so powerful. Each one fills a gap, corrects a mistake, and restores the rhythm your body has been missing. What if the answer to rebuilding your strength was already on your plate, hidden in foods you've eaten before but never truly appreciated? Eggs are good, but science has uncovered 7 protein-rich foods that do far more to wake up aging muscles, repair fragile tissues, and restore energy after 70. Each of them carries not only protein, but also the minerals, amino acids, and hidden compounds your body craves to fight sarcopenia. Food number 7, pasta and noodles. Long dismissed as empty carbs, whole grain or protein-enriched pasta delivers more protein than rice, along with steady energy to fuel your day. When paired with beans, lentils, or lean meat, it becomes a complete protein source, breaking through anabolic resistance and keeping muscles active. Food number 6, scallops. From the ocean comes one of the leanest proteins on Earth, with 3 times more protein than rice in just a small portion. Scallops are rich in vitamin B12 and omega-3s, protecting nerves, reducing inflammation, and sharpening memory, while feeding your muscles clean, digestible fuel. Food number 5, shrimp. Tiny but powerful, shrimp pack 19 grams of protein per serving. They also carry astaxanthin, a rare antioxidant that defends your joints, eyes, and skin from aging. Combined with selenium and iodine for thyroid support, shrimp turn every bite into a boost for muscle and vitality. Food number 4, tilapia. Mild, affordable, and easy to digest, tilapia delivers over 23 grams of protein plus leucine, the amino acid that flips the switch for muscle building. Its minerals, phosphorus for bones, potassium for blood pressure, make it a quiet but crucial ally for strength and stability. Food number 3, pork tenderloin. Lean, tender, and rich in protein, this cut also provides thiamine, a vitamin many seniors lack, yet essential for energy and balance. Combined with niacin and selenium, pork tenderloin fuels recovery while protecting circulation and cellular health. Food number 2, turkey breast. One of the leanest proteins available, with 26 grams per serving, turkey also contains tryptophan, which promotes deep, restorative sleep. That means your muscles can rebuild more effectively during the night, while niacin and selenium keep your immune system strong. Food number 1, chicken breast. The undisputed champion, 34 grams of protein in just 100 grams of meat. Packed with leucine, phosphorus, and vitamin B6, chicken is affordable, versatile, and digestible, the ultimate weapon against sarcopenia, trusted by athletes and now vital for seniors who want to keep their independence. Together, these foods form a system, not just protein, but complete nourishment for muscle, bone, nerves, and energy. With them, you're no longer fighting decline alone. You're giving your body the exact tools it remembers how to use. His story reminds us that decline is not destiny. With the right proteins at the right time, even after 70, the body still remembers how to stand tall, how to move freely, how to feel alive again. When we talk about muscle loss after 70, it's easy to believe the story is already written, that weakness, fatigue, and dependence are inevitable. But the truth is more hopeful. Your body is not broken. It is simply overworked and undernourished. The silent erosion of muscle is not a punishment for age, but a signal that your body needs deeper support. Every one of the 7 foods we've explored offers that support in a unique way. Some fuel your muscles with concentrated protein. Others calm inflammation, improve sleep, or protect your bones and joints. Together, they restore the balance that aging quietly steals. And the most important message is this: strength can return, energy can return, independence can return. It doesn't take drastic change or complicated routines. It takes simple, intentional choices made day after day. A plate with more variety, a dinner that includes not just protein, but minerals and nutrients to help your body actually use it. A rhythm that reminds your muscles they are still alive, still ready to respond. Think about what that could mean in your own life. Walking without hesitation, climbing stairs with steadiness, rising from your chair with ease. These are not small victories. They are the foundation of dignity and freedom as you age. Your body still remembers how to heal. It just needs you to give it the chance. If this message touched something inside you, a fear of losing strength, or a quiet hope that you could feel alive again, thank you for staying until the end. It means you haven't given up. It means you're still searching for ways to care for yourself, and that alone is powerful. Remember, eggs are good, but they are not enough after 70. Your muscles deserve more. And now you know 7 simple, affordable foods that can bring back strength, energy, and confidence. This is not about chasing youth. It's about protecting the life you still want to live with freedom, dignity, and vitality. I'd be truly honored if you'd support this channel by subscribing right now. It helps us keep sharing these messages of hope and practical science with seniors around the world. Leave a like if this story resonated with your journey, and please share it with someone you care about, maybe your sister, a longtime friend, a neighbor, or someone from your church or walking group who might need this encouragement. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 foods do you already eat most often? Which one are you excited to add to your meals? Tell us in the comments, because your experience could inspire someone else to take that first step. And if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in the future, let us know. We read every word. You're not too old. It's not too late. Your body still remembers how to be strong. Give it the chance, and it will surprise you.